What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon button. So in this video I am going to explain you exactly what is happening into your Google search console. I know after the Google update 2 months back you started seeing this new tab into your Google search console, and if you click into this tab button, then you will see a lot of useless and baseless errors because they have no basis. This is just a bug by Google search console, which you need to understand. So if you still want to fix this issue, then you need to click on any listed error. So in this video I will explain only alternate page with proper canonical tag. So when you check the infected URLs in down below, you will see all the pages are coming from AMP version of your website. So as I already said, this is not a fault of your website, it's just a bug by Google Search Console, and I hope after some days or months they will definitely fix this automatically. So still, if you want to fix, then you need to go into your WordPress website. You need to check if you are using this plugin, the blue one, then you need to deactivate and activate the red one. And if you are using the red one, then you need to deactivate this one and activate the blue one. So after doing this step, you need to go back to your don't need to forget one thing. You need to clear the cache of your website as well. So after doing this, you need to go back to your Google search console and copy each URL from this infected list and paste the URL into this section. After doing this, you need to click on live test URL, and then you need to click on request indexing. So when you done this, you need to wait for some days. Also, you need to click on this and start the validation process. As you can see, the validation process is started. So you need to wait for some days, and after some days, as I said, it's a bug from Google, so there are mostly chances that this validation will be failed. So you don't need to worry about anything, you just need to wait for some months, for some weeks. uh, Google will definitely see this bug and it will be fixed soon. So see you in the next video.